Welcome to SkyMet Weather Report. I'm Jessica and here's a look at today's forecast. Now the rain belt would shift to West Madhya Pradesh and East Gujarat. Therefore, temperatures over these areas would decrease. West Rajasthan and Tamil Nadu will remain the hotbed of the country as many areas will register high temperatures in the 40s. Temperatures over East India and Central UP will be in pleasant 30s. A low pressure area now lies over central Madhya Pradesh and associated cyclonic circulation is also seen in this area. This circulation will be instrumental in increasing rains over West Madhya Pradesh. Strong winds from the west would prevail over Gujarat and coastal Maharashtra. Moist winds from the Bay of Bengal will continue over the northeastern states. Moderate to heavy rain would occur over West Madhya Pradesh, adjoining southeast Rajasthan and east Gujarat. Rains over Delhi and Haryana will continue with showers at few places. Uttarakhand and east UP, Bihar and sub-Himalayan West Bengal will also get rains at many places. Rain will reduce over Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand and Orissa. No rainfall is expected over West Rajasthan and South Tamil Nadu. Now looking at the major cities, cloudy sky will persist over Delhi. Light rain is possible in some parts. After a pleasant morning at 27 degrees, the day will be a little warm at 34 degrees. Moderate rain will continue over Mumbai. With a cloudy sky, maximum will reach up to 29 degrees. Morning will also be very comfortable at 25. Light rain or thunder showers with cloudy skies are predicted for Kolkata, but minimum will remain very comfortable at 27. Weather in Bangalore would remain very pleasant at 28 degrees. Light rain with a cloudy sky is possible. A perfect morning for an outing at 20 degrees. Another cloudy day with the possibility of light rain over Hyderabad. Maximum will reach 30 degrees. A comfortable morning at 23. Uninterrupted dry spell over Chennai has kept temperatures high. Day will be sultry with a maximum of 37 degrees. Sky will be cloudy. Some relief is expected due to light rain in parts of the city. Minimum will be around 27 degrees. So on that note, I take your leave for now. Catch us again tomorrow right here on SkyMetWeather.com. I'm Jessica and thanks for tuning in.